Well, I'm back down here in Izu again, another week. Oh, first order of business. Unload the truck. Pretty full. I got more stuff coming back too, so it's going to be interesting. Might as well put them ladders on the roof rack. Anyways, no time like the present. Let's get to work. Problems. Well, the washing machine fits. And I mean just, but it does fit. Unfortunately, the dryer is wider than the washing machine. It's actually wider than the stand. And let me tell you, I got just enough room there on either side for drywall right now. But the washing machine is quite a bit narrower than the dryer. So, I really don't want to put the washing machine there again. I think it's not a good spot. That's a really good spot for it. I have to move the plumbing and oh my god, I'm sure glad I tried it. But, because up there is where the exhaust fan goes, right there. And this thing, it's an electric dryer, so it doesn't have a vent on it, but it has holes on the side here, on the back, and holes down there on the side. So I was wondering, maybe I should mount the dryer up here high. What do you think? I think I could get it up there kind of near the ceiling. Well, it can't be too high, you can't reach it, I guess. Okay, so like I said, the dryer ain't gonna fit. God, I didn't realize it was so much wider than the washing machine. It's like 10 centimeters wider than the washing machine. So, this can be moved. We got the exhaust fan there. So I was wondering if I take this stand off of here and I mount the stand here on the wall, basically at the same height, then the dryer would be here, the washing machine's here. I can put a shelf in the back here for putting your soaps and that kind of stuff on. Everything would still function fine. I'd probably run another plug back over here somewhere just so we don't got that cord running around the corner because that would be ugly. But that's not a big deal, I can do that. Having the dryer here, we could still put shelving here and have some storage. I mean, it's a little bit kind of odd to have the washing machine there and the dryer there, but still saves you a ton of space. Also, I don't got to rip all the plumbing and everything. So, this is heavy. Something like that. The dryer would be something like that. What do you think? Let me know. Okay, I only got part of the day in here today. I got the drywall here is all done, and I've come to a conclusion of what I'm going to do over here. It's a little bit complicated. This is really tight for the washing machine. I knew that, but it's too tight. So I'm going to, this wall here, there's still a bit of space I can gain here. So I'm gonna take this little tiny wall apart and basically just shift the whole thing over about the thickness of that. That'll give me more than enough room. That'll make it fine. And then the other thing is, unfortunately, the dryer doesn't fit there. It just doesn't. The dryer is quite a bit wider than the washing machine. I just didn't realize that. Like considerably wider. So I talked to the client. I'm sure you've seen the video. The video that I took earlier that I showed you there, moving the washer and dryer around, I actually shot that for the client, but I thought I'd just use it on this video anyways. So the dryer is going to go here, and then his suggestion was underneath that we make like some kind of a find, buy, make, whatever, some kind of a unit there that would be like a clothes hamper, and then we could also maybe have a space for, you know, like whatever. underneath the dryer, we can make that a workspace to do laundry and stuff. I think it's a really good idea. So we'll kind of not look at it as a mistake, but more of as a design opportunity. So anyways, I got to go to the hardware store and get a couple of things, and I'm calling it a day today. It's around, I guess, 5:15, 5:20, something like that. And I put a full day in driving. The trip down wasn't bad, except Mr. Google didn't tell me that they were doing construction on one of the main highways down by the ocean, and it was all down to single lane. So sat creeping along at very slow speeds for almost an hour. So instead of it being a 2.5 hour trip, it was much closer to 4. But I mean, that's just the way it goes. I'm not complaining. Well, a little bit. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.